Manila from Go School. Today I'm here with another important update. We can say it's an update. I just want to tell you the important things that you have to keep in mind during the exam time. So your board exams are going on, one of your exam is over and you are going to write other exams. So this video is especially for the 10th and 12th grade students who are going to write their board exams. So what are things you have to keep in mind? I hope you guys have seen this notification from CBSE and I think you all are aware about this things that is in 1 second, that is in 10th and 12th, how many students are going to write the exam. So it's like about 44 lakh students and in 204 subjects, and from this 15th February onwards you all are writing the exam. So I just want to tell you the important things that you have to keep in mind during this exam time. Okay, so during your exam days, okay, so the first and important thing is reach the exam hall on time. So if your exam is going to start say at 8 o'clock in the morning, you have to reach there. Are you going to reach there by 8? No, you just have to reach there at least 30 or 45 minutes prior. Okay, that is very important. You have to reach there at least 45 minutes before the exam to avoid the last minute rush. So if you are reaching there, you are running and you are sweating, you need to drink some water and you are afraid, you are worried about the exam, don't worry, okay? So you don't have to worry about such things, you don't have to worry about the timing, you don't have to worry about the exam. You may have to worry about the exam, but still if you are reaching there on time, you will be relaxed, okay? You will be calm. So always try to remember, reach the exam hall on time. And the next thing is admit card and ID proof, okay? Even if you reach the exam hall 30 minutes, 45 minutes prior, you can't write the exam. You can't enter the exam hall without the admit card, okay? And along with that, you have to carry your ID proof. And then if you have your school ID card, also carry that ID card with you. And the next thing is permitted items. Okay, we are planning to do another important video, another detailed video about the permitted things and the things which are not permitted in the exam hall. So in that video, you will get to know more about this. So just for a quick glance, you can see like pens, pencils, erasers, transparent water bottle. Don't forget this pen, pencil and all these things. You can't borrow it from the person sitting next to you. It's not like a normal exam. Okay, talking to your friends during the exam, okay, they may consider it as a malpractice. So always remember, keep a pencil, eraser, everything, pen with you. Okay, we will do a detailed video on that. And then follow the dress code. So students must be in their uniform, okay? So you must wear your uniform and make sure you are neat and you are wearing it properly with all the ID cards, then shoes, whatever you have, okay? You must be in your uniform. And the next thing is check the seating arrangement. So after reaching the center, so if you are in 10th grade, you may not have much idea about the seating arrangements. This is your first time experiencing a board exam. So what you have to do is, as soon as you reach the examination hall, you have to check the seating arrangement that will be displayed in the notice board, okay? So you have to carry your admit card with you. So check your roll number and you have to find the class where you are supposed to sit, okay? Yeah, and then read the question paper. So you'll be getting a 15 minutes reading time before the exam. Utilize that properly, okay? Read each and every question carefully, okay? And especially the 5-mark questions and 3-mark questions, you have to read properly and you have to utilize that 15 minutes properly. And make sure you are going till the last page of the question paper. Don't miss out any questions. Make sure you are reading each and every question separately, okay? And don't forget to write the sub questions. So utilize this 15 minutes properly, go through the question paper thoroughly, and then understand the question paper pattern, marking scheme, time allocation. So you must be aware about these things, not You don't have to look for the question paper and understand like, okay, I have 4 mark, 3 mark here. Okay, no, it's not like that. Before attending the exam, you must go through a previous year question paper and you must be aware about the things like how many marks will be there, how many marks is coming from each chapter, so how many questions will be there, how many 3 mark questions will be there. You must have a clear cut idea about all these things and the marking scheme, everything, and then get a good sleep. Okay, so everyone is like a day before exam, you are not sleeping, you are not getting enough sleep, maybe 2 hours of sleep, 3 hours of sleep, and then you are going for the exam. Don't do that. At least the day before exam, make sure you are getting 8 hours of good sleep. Okay, and then when you wake up in the morning, you'll be fresh, your brain will be fresh. Okay, so you'll be ready to write the exam. And then also, okay, healthy breakfast, that is another important thing. When you are going for the exam, you must eat something. Okay, you must eat a healthy breakfast. Okay, don't forget that thing. So that is why you must get an 8 hour sleep, then you must wake up early, and then you have to eat something, stay calm, and then you have to go for the exam. Okay, and also you have to reach there before 30 to 45 minutes before. Okay, and then the last thing, positive mindset. Enter the exam hall with a positive and confident attitude. So don't ever think, okay, I'm not going to write this exam properly, okay, I'm going to fail the exam. No, don't ever think like that. Always think positive. Okay, so always think, I can do this, I have prepared enough, so I'm going to write this exam properly. Okay, I'm going to get good marks. So always stay positive. Okay, yeah, that's it, and all the best for your exams. And we'll be doing more videos about the important things. Important things I have mentioned. Now the permitted things in exam hall, do's and don'ts during the exam time, and during the exam, when you're writing the exam, and before the exam, during the exam period, like you'll be stressed for the 1 month, so what all things you have to do. So for more such videos, stay tuned to Go School Learning.